Hi kids, welcome to classroom. Today I am going to teach you how to write letters, uppercase letter and lowercase letter. You know which are the uppercase letter and lowercase letters? Look here. This is capital A. Apple. Its phonic sound is A. Capital A. And this is small a. Small a. Its phonic sound is A. Arrow. Now come to the next letter. Which letter is this? B, capital B. And this is small b. Its phonic sound is B. Baba, ball, and baba, bat, ball. And this is capital C and small c. Its phonic sound is K. Cat. Cat says mews, you know. And this is capital D. D and small d. Its phonic sound is D. Duck. Duck says quack, quack. Okay. Now come to the next letter. This is capital E and small e. Its phonic sound is elephant. Elephant. Elephant is a long trunk, you know. And this is F. Capital F and small f. Capital F, small f. Its phonic sound is F. F for fish. Fish is an aquatic animal. It lives in water. This is G. Capital G and small g. Its phonic sound is G. Grapes. Girl. And this is capital H and small h. Its phonic sound is H. Hand. Head. Hat. Where do you wear it? On the head. Hat. Now, let's come to the writing part. Okay? Now, let's write A. Dear parents, for writing the letters, you can take the notebook like this and first of all take the left page and you can draw any image related to that particular letter the child is learning. I am taking A and this is capital A, small a. Its phonic sound is A, apple. Now let your child color the apple with red color. And please instruct your child, hold this crayon or pencil crayon with this only 3 fingers. You use only these fingers, these 2 fingers and 1 thumb. This is tripod writing. And by coloring, it enhances your words, fine motor skills and the recognition of colors. And it engrows the child in the coloring because children like to do the coloring. It enhances their fine motor and recognition part. The child will recognize this is red color, this is green color, right? Now come to the writing part. Now let's write letter A, capital A. How to write capital A? Start from the top, draw a slanting line and go back to the top and write another slanting line to the right side and make a slipping line in the middle like this. Slanting line, go back, another slanting line to the right side and draw a slipping line in the middle like this. This is letter A. Its phonic sound is A. For small a, you can take the half part of the notebook and make a curve in the middle like this and standing line. This is small a. Curve, standing line. Curve, standing line. Curve, standing line. Now, like this, you can make your child engage in the writing. Now, take next letter. You can draw the image related to the burr, and you can paste the pictures also related to burr sound. And let your child color this image, and from the top write how to write letter burr. Make a standing line in the first 3 lines, and now from the top make a curve to the middle and draw another curve to joining the bottom. This is letter B. In this way, standing line, make one curve to the middle and another curve to the bottom. Standing line, one curve, another curve. One standing line, one curve, another curve. And so on. Now, like how to write small b, standing line, and start from the middle, draw a curve to the bottom line. This is small b. Its phonic sound is b. Now, how to write capital C? Like this. Start from the bottom to the blue line. Use first 3 lines, and like this, curve C. Its phonic sound is k. For small c, like this. In the middle, you can draw a curve like this. This is small c. How to write capital D? Standing line. Draw from the top to the bottom. Draw a curve from top to the bottom. D. Its phonic sound is D. Now, small d, it's like, first of all, draw a curve, make a C, small c, curve in the middle and standing line. This is small d. Curve, standing line. Curve, standing line. Curve, standing line. This is small d. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c, capital D, small d. And now come to letter E. Standing line, and draw a slipping line to the right side. Draw another slipping line to the right side. Draw the third slipping line to the right side. This is E. Its phonic sound is A. E. A. Elephant. Like this. And small e, little below from the middle line. Start from below from the middle line like this and make a curve. Start from below, little below from the middle line and make a curve like this. Now, dear students, tell me, have you enjoyed the session with Neena ma'am? Oh, okay. Now try these letters, practice these letters with your mama. Okay? Bye bye. Bye bye.